I'm working as a professional designer for almost 25 years. I did many cars in my career. And this is definitely one of the most exciting projects or show cars I've ever worked on with my team. The Audi Skysphere has been inspired by the Horch 853, which has been a roadster in the 30s. And this roadster has been benchmarked on one hand in driving dynamics and in comfort. And the Audi Skysphere is a modern, very progressive interpretation of these two characteristics. The Audi headquarters is located in Ingolstadt. To come up and to catch all ideas around the world, we have a design studio, a very digital and small one in Beijing and one in Malibu. That's why the Audi Skysphere is developed and designed 100% digital. And the process is that we have a few times a month digital calls. So we are meeting in a virtual studio. We're talking about the status of the design. Audi Skysphere is a look into the future because we are showcasing and visualizing the potential of this progressive technology, automated driving level 4. That means it showcases the opportunities around this technology, because the Audi Skysphere is on one hand a real sports car, and it can transform in only a few seconds into an autonomous lounge. The highlights are that we combine a very muscular body with very elegant lines. And this combination is something really progressive, that the car looks on one hand very sporty and muscular and super elegant and very sleek. The Audi Skysphere is a very progressive interpretation of a roadster. The proportions of the Audi Skysphere are simply breathtaking. Dream proportions, I have to say. Big wheels, a long wheelbase, very long and low bonnet, in combination with a very short overhang, a speedster roofline. I will never forget when I saw the Skysphere for the first time in this dark painted color with all the nice details. It's a very emotional moment for me.
You really give a vision of what the car industry could be in the future and what Audi will be in the future. The Audi Design Loft is a small advanced design studio in the heart of Malibu. Malibu is a fantastic place for car designers. There's so much happening. It's extremely inspirational. What's so special about the Design Loft is that it's an only digital studio. We don't work on physical properties at all. We try to be as creative as possible and anticipate what kind of experience a future customer is looking for. And that's what we've done with the Skysphere. It's a car with dual personality. It's ground touring in autonomous mode, but it transforms into a true sports car when it's being driven. So we created the car in digital and we sent it right away to Germany. It's a redefinition of ground touring. It's also a tribute to our heritage.
I was asking Gael, please think about a vehicle which has the technology level 4 as a center. And he came up with his roadster, and I fall in love immediately when I saw the first proposal.
We're looking forward for the real car, and well done, well done.
One really exciting part of the process is when we meet with Germany virtually through the holodeck. So basically, we meet with people that are 10,000 kilometers away around a car.
And after a few seconds, it feels like that we are together working in one studio. It takes me only a second, and I'm in Malibu.
We try to offer an experience that goes way beyond what a roadster today offers.
The Audi Skysphere is a big step ahead into the future.